What's going on, my YouTube fam? Savage Tech in the building. Today, we're jumping in the box with SVANTTO Lavalier wireless microphone. SVANTTO. The good people at SVANTTO wanted me to show my great people that watch this channel how easy it is to set this microphone up. Like 1, 2, 3. So first we have earphone times 2. This red thing right here is your 3.5 millimeter TRS for your camera and your PC. That's your second earphone. Remember I said times 2. Now, this microphone system is supposed to have up to 18 hours of usage. 328 feet range. Okay? We're jumping in a little further. All right. So right here we have our adapter. And this should be USB-C and a lightning adapter for your iPhone. It is USB-C lightning. That works for me. That'll just about get you hooked up with every device you need. Dope. So this case is a charging case. Okay? This case is supposed to get you up to 13 hours of usage. Takes about 2.5 hours to get that charge. Okay? You have 2 transmitters and you have 1 receiver. Check. That's your transmitter. Note the buttons. Power button. Right there, you have a noise reduction button. Okay. Mic. Charging USB-C. 3.5 millimeters jack. Windshield, wind guard, windscreen, whatever you want to call it. This right here is your receiver. It has 2 USB ports, one for charging and the other to connect to your device. It also has a 3.5 millimeter jack. Sweet. And that little clip turns 360 degrees for easy placement of the mic. Okay. This is being recorded right now on this mic. And if you stay tuned, at the end, I'll show you the little program and setting I use to do this. Let's continue with this blast. All right, so it has a magnetized connection. When you drop it in, it just clicks in, just pulls to it. You know, Sam is, you know, it took me a minute to get this microphone set up for the way I roll. So, with hard work, dedication, I think I pushed through it. You know, because straight out of the box, the volume on it is definitely low. You're definitely going to have to turn up the gain on it. Okay? If your system allows you to do it. But never fear. Stay tuned. At the end, I'm going to show you what you need. And it won't cost you a cent. You feel? USB-C in the back of the charging case. This is how you do it. I wish some of those other cats take heed, take notes. All right. What all can we get in this box? I know we should be able to get the 2 adapters in here. A little fumbling, I can make it work. Now that 3.5, that could be something you got to put in your pocket or in your case. Not that case though. Maybe they'll make it a little bit bigger to fit that in there next time. 100. But I'm loving the case. I'm loving the fact that it's got a USB-C. And also when you plug the power in, that light goes red. Dig it. All right. So this is how we're gonna connect this iPhone. We're gonna grab this lightning adapter. You know, like I said, 1, 2, 3. And here we're gonna take your receiver. Short end of this adapter goes to the receiver, and the long end goes to the iPhone. You know, with the lightning in. Turn your power on. Bam. Connection. Now, due to the fact that I don't want you to see what's on my screen, I got it backward. You would just flip that around so you can place your phone down on its back. The way I got it, you can't do that. And then when you turn on your transmitter, it automatically connects. You see, one of the microphone symbols is solid. The other one is lit up, just to let you know that it's in a connection state. This is your windscreen, wind guard, whatever, film. It's nice that they included that. Also, this is a 360 omnidirectional microphone. So it picks up everything, no matter the placement. Right here, we got the 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, we plug it in to the transmitter, the receiver, and it connects, to the microphone in on your PC or your camera. Simple. What did I say? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the USB-C connector that connects to your USB-C devices. All right. You got to love the design. These things are small and compact. Small end to the receiver, long end to your iPad, Android phone, with a USB-C jack. Also, you can connect that receiver to power while you're using it so it can stay charged. What? That's what I'm saying. Come on, Sam. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Power on, connects automatically. That right there is your noise reduction. Push it one time, first setting. Another time, the second setting. The third time, the third setting. Okay? If you push it and hold it for a minute, you'll go to your reverb. That gives you that kind of spacious sound. 100. Also, you can pair a transmitter to your phone. So you can have music playing through one transmitter in the background while you use the other one to talk. What? Man, you got to check these cats out. I'm loving it. And I'm loving my music. Anyway, once you got it plugged in, go to your settings, go to your devices, go to your sound, additional properties. At microphone level, I had to turn it down. I was getting kickback from the software that I was using that I'm gonna show you at the end. But that's it. And here goes the software. Okay, voice meter. I'm using potato version, but they have 3 other versions. It's free and it's got instructions. So if I were to scroll down on the page, it's got a YouTube tab right there. Look it up. Voice meter, potato, instructions right there. SVANTTO, Lavalier, microphone, 18 hours use, noise reduction, 328 foot range. This is your boy Sam. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Check out the merch at SAVAGETECH.STUDIO. We out. Thanks, SVANTTO.